everyone, it's Mrs. Hanley and JD here, and today we are going to do an experiment and we are going to make an egg float in water. Very recently we read the story by Sid Fleischman called The Bloodhound Gang and the Case of the Flying Clock, and we watched a short video clip on it. And after reading the mystery, we realized the gang solved it by figuring out salt was the key. So what we are going to do is we are going to do the same experiment that helped them solve their mystery and explain it to you. So what we're going to do is we are going to make an egg float in water. Now normally, Joe's going to put this in, okay, and you're going to see that the egg will automatically drop to the bottom, okay? But we can actually make it float by adding salt. So what Joe's going to do is he's going to open up the salt, okay, and he is going to put it in tablespoon by tablespoon. All right, pour a tablespoon on. Let's go, speed it up here. There you go. No, you got to fill it up. Fill up the whole tablespoon. Okay, and then we're going to mix it in. This is at 1 tablespoon into the water. Do you want to be the egg dropper? Okay, and we're going to see if the egg sinks or swims. No. So we're going to need to add more salt. Again, fill me up. Fill it all the way up. Okay. So this is 2 full tablespoons of water. Okay, now we're going to drop it in. And let's see what it does this time. Very gently drop it in. Oh! Okay, it didn't go right to the bottom. Let's try it again. Fill me up. Fill it up. We're planning on using salt with tonight's dinner. Okay, here we go. Oh, and there you have it. If you can see, the egg is floating at the top of the water. And we went from simple tap water to homemade salt water using ordinary table salt that you would find in your cabinet at home. Do you know why the egg floats like that?
No, I do not.
Well, what is the difference here? What is the difference between the 2 glasses of water? In the regular water, it just sinks to the bottom, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then over here, if you put it in this water, what's the difference between the water?
This one is salt water and this one is fresh water.
So I know this is something you didn't get to yet, but I do think you're going to get to it in 8th grade. What happens is salt water is much more dense than regular tap water is. And because the salt water is much more dense, that's what makes the egg float. So in the mystery, when they saw all the bags of salt next to the well, that's what they figured out what happened with the clock. Somebody threw it packaged up and sealed it in a watertight container down in the well, and how the perpetrator was going to get it up was going to mix all of that rock salt in and have it float to the surface because the water becomes very dense. Pretty neat lesson, huh?
Yes.
Pretty cool. Okay. Hope you enjoyed our experiment. We'll see you guys later.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.